got our water maker.
Teeny bit heavy?
Yeah. Our amazing patrons, Tom and Anita, sent us their water maker. I know, right? They are super generous. We're so grateful for them. We just gotta get a few parts for it and we'll finally be able to make our own water. And Brandy's super excited because now she can wash her hair whenever she wants.
Yay!
Good early morning.
We are just beating the sun out and we are heading to the only rainforest in the entire United States. And it just happens to be here in Puerto Rico.
Yeah, it's a 3-hour car ride, so it's gonna take a bit to get there. But the reason we're at dock, as you'll notice,
Shush back there.
is for a Boona Bear. We actually went and got an AC and we got her in the boat and nice and AC'd because we're gonna be gone for a long time and it is hot down here.
Yes. So I can only imagine what this rainforest is gonna be like. But we got our coffees, we gotta get in the car and get out of here.
Misty mountains, dusty roads ahead, crossing rivers, dreaming of a bed, from a window in the mighty clouds up high.
Instead of taking a tour in to go check out the rainforest, we decided to rent a rental. We decided to get a rental car.
And we did it for a couple reasons, just because we definitely wanted to come out here.
It's stay on Interstate PR 3 South.
Because it's a 3-hour drive out to the rainforest, we figured let's get a car.
Continue on Interstate PR 3 South for 1.5 kilometers.
It's a 3-hour drive out to the rainforest, so we figured why not get a car. But we've had it for a couple of days and we've just been hitting up all the grocery stores, all the shops to get anything and everything we can think of, and a couple things for some friends down south to be able to make our way down to Grenada in a couple of days and then work our way back up the Caribbean. So our goal is not to have to really supply anywhere in the Caribbean.
But we'll see. Our first provisioning, we stocked up for what, 3 months?
Yeah.
So we'll see how much we can
definitely have more now.
600 meters, turn right onto Calle Triunfo.
We definitely have more now than we did for the Bahamas, for sure.
Let the heat find all the frozen, let the force in, and I am above, oh, I feel above.
It smells so amazing in here. This is my first time to a rainforest ever.
And mine.
And it is really amazing. I mean, it's definitely what I envisioned.
It's very misty. It's cool, actually.
Yeah, it's really chilly.
We read a lot of reviews online that said it was actually kind of muggy and humid, but today we must have got lucky.
There are so many trees. There's like 248 different trees and flora in here, and it smells so good. Somebody's exploring off the path.
Oh, this is where they got the
Ugh.
What?
Ugh. Oh, muddy. What'd you find?
It's like a little lagoon. Our own private beach.
And we're experiencing what a rainforest is about. It's starting to rain.
I was reading that it rains about 4 times a day. Crazy.
This is a rainforest.
This is probably the easiest hike that I've ever done. There's literally like a stone path leading the way. And then they have these little overhangs for when it does start raining that you can hide under. What you eating?
My yummy trail mix. Pumpkin seeds and walnuts and almonds and sesame seeds. And we cut up a little bit of dried apricots. We're hiding from the rain right before we go to the waterfall. The irony.
On film, we're having this nice romantic, picturesque view to ourselves. But in reality, we're sharing it with all these people.
So we decided to take this less traveled path, hoping to find another waterfall. We did come across a very disgruntled tour guide though.
I don't know that this is the right way. Blind leading the blind here. I think we're taking the scenic route. Lovely. It's a ferret. Yeah. Yunque. How do you say it? Jukin. There are 8 rivers in Jukin. I'm probably saying that wrong. There are 8 rivers here, and they feed 20% of Puerto Rico's water supply. And also it rains here up to like 240 inches a year, which is roughly 100 billion gallons. We took a detour and the path ended. There was a little mongoose leading the way, but we got to go back down.
I don't want to slide down. Let's just talk about the state of my feet right now. Dirt is good for you.
we had a lot of fun here in Juan Diego. Wish we could have checked out La Mina, but it's closed because of Hurricane Irma.
Maria.
It's closed because of Hurricane Maria. But if you get the chance, definitely go hike up to the right and go to the other fall. Don't just check out the first fall, go see the other one because it is so cool.
It was so cold too.
Yeah, it was cold.
We've been doing some tours today to get ready to get out of Puerto Rico and head down south. But we pulled out the mainsail, and since we got the new one in, we know we didn't really show you guys the damage that happened to the first one. So we're gonna show you right now.
Just to give you an idea of the damage. This is the leech, that's the luff.
Yep, there's really no fixing that. Saoirse, Saoirse, Saoirse. Saoirse, Saoirse, Saoirse.
Hey, pretty lady.
Guess what arrived?
Me?
What?
A pony?
A pony.
Yay!
A flying pony. Are you gonna come get it?
Yeah.
See you in a second.
Okay.
We got our new mainsail.
Woo!
Now
Let's go sailing.
Yeah. Now we just gotta wait for the wind to die so we can put her up, test her out. Now to check her out, see what she looks like.
Our very first new sail ever. It's exciting times here on Saoirse.
Very well packed. Smells new. These the battens? I think these are the battens. It's a nice sail bag. We went with Rolly Tasker because all the research that I did, they seem to be the best bang for the buck and a very quality sail. This sail we ordered with only partially full battens up at the top because they were unable to ship full battens for the whole sail down here to Puerto Rico.
and we wanted a complete set. We didn't want to have to go hassle and try to find full batten somewhere else. This is a triple reefed main with a loose foot, and I think she will do much better than what we've had. But before we can put this up, we gotta take down the backup sail. So crispy.
We are working late into the night because it's been windy all day and we just wanted to get this dang thing up. So it is just sunset. We're getting eaten up alive by bugs, but we're so excited about getting this thing up. Harder to work with it.
Yeah, it's so stiff.
Without my love for the ocean,